Vice ganda ipinasyal si Nanay Rosario sa Dubai Aquarium.
Fish! Oh, what?
Sa ikatlong araw ng bakasyon nila Vice ganda sa Dubai, ay talagang sinulit naman ng kanilang pamilya na makapamasyal, at isa sa kanilang pinuntahan ngayon ay ang Dubai Aquarium. Sinulit din ni Vice na makabonding si Nanay Rosario ay lahat ng mga magagandang lugar sa Dubai ay talagang pinapakita ni Vice sa kanya. Kahapon din ay in-enjoy naman nila ang Burj Khalifa.
Ay, kataday! Oh, alam mo New Year pa din eh.
Yeah, that's our biggest fish. That one is called... their biggest resort
Dami fish. Oh, mother. Oh. Pampano? Daming pampano. Pero isa lang ang pampano.
And for the female, have an opening called the close up. Yes, sand tiger shark. Actually, we have the biggest collection of sand tiger sharks in the world. Yeah, Tar. Actually, most fishes, they are named towards their appearance or how they look like. Some of them are named towards their behavior or their habitat. And yeah, guitar fish, that one is not a shark. That one belongs to the braid family, like the stingray. Actually, in the world, there's around 600 species of rays and only 100 of them are...
Samantala, binisita naman ni Miss Gladys Reyes ang restaurant ni Ryan Bang.